Hi, everyone. I'm Erica L. Abrams, and I am the Gen X Wealth Architect. All right. So, everything about this page, this destination, is about building wealth, protecting health, and preserving legacy. So, I am a veteran wellness and wealth advocate. I'm licensed in insurance and mortgage lending, and I've had an extensive career over 2 decades helping families from clinical research to academia, professorships in healthcare management, entrepreneurship. Oh my gosh, the list goes on and on. So I have an extensive and a large battery of career pursuits that have led me to be able to help a lot of people in many ways as it relates to wellness and wealth, essentially. So, my question to you today is what happens when celebrities die? Interesting question, right? Same thing that happens when we all die. Unfortunately, it's a devastating occurrence in people's lives, but death is a part of life, right? And the same thing that happens with celebrities is going to happen with you and your loved ones because you are the celebrity of your life. You are the celebrity of your family, right? If you're a breadwinner, you're taking care of folks, whether it's your children, family members that you care about, extended family. Some of us are in the sandwich generation, like myself. I'm a Gen X wealth architect. So I am kind of part of that sandwich generation where I just turned 50. I've got a very active and healthful mom that I'm helping to look after, and she's living her best life. I'm married with a husband and 3 children, and we are navigating raising children and being the best people that we can be and being the best parents that we can be and being good people in this world. So, to get back to my original question about what happens when celebrities die, I like to help people understand that you're the celebrity of your life, right? And whether you have all these responsibilities like someone like myself, you're still the celebrity of your life and your existence. And so you want to set yourself up to be able to live the best life for yourself and to be able to leave a legacy for those that you care about, those passion projects or mission areas that you want to donate energy, money, time to, right? And so as a insurance advisor, I help my clients understand how can you actually really conceptualize what your estate plan should look like. It's going to be unique to everybody. And that's why any insurance advisor or estate planning professional worth their salt is going to sit down with that individual, that family, and understand where are they in life? Where do they see themselves and their family in the next couple years, in the next couple decades? If they died yesterday, what would they want their life insurance plan to do for them? What would they want their estate plan to do for them when they no longer have a physical voice? They're no longer here in the flesh. Now, we're always going to be here in the spirit because energy never dies. And so, with that, we need to put the energy in right now. And we need to take a stance right now and evaluate where we are and where we might need to be in order to for our family to live out the dreams that we desire for them. Because don't get it twisted, okay? Let's not get it twisted. When we're gone as breadwinners, whether we're the sole breadwinner, we're one of the breadwinners for our families, whether we're managing the breadwinners' funds, okay? We're business owners, what have you. We've got income coming in from entrepreneurial endeavors. We got income coming in from employment. We've got income coming in from various entities, okay, that we may be managing. That is essential and that's important to maintain. So there's a surefire way for a breadwinner and someone who cares about the essentially existence of who they take care of every day. There's a surefire way for you to know what you should, be thinking about. as far as how do you make an analysis, a actually informed decision, and analyze what should your plan look like. Okay. So I am here to help. This page is going to take us on, I'm hopeful, a robust journey. I want you to help lead that journey by tapping in and letting me know, what do you stand in the need of? What questions do you want answered? As the Gen X Wealth Architect, I too am navigating this new world and this new place for me in my life as a 50-year-old wife, mother, entrepreneur, employee, business owner, all of that. I'm navigating it too. Fortunately for you all, I have many tools and expertise that can help you get to where you need to be, or at least I can help hold your hand as you navigate it for yourself. All right. So tap in, let me know, and comment DIME, comment DIME, if you want me to break down what you need to consider as it relates to protecting your family when you're no longer here. All right. So I will come back and I'll break down. If I get enough interest here in this concept, I will come back and happily break down all the things that you need to consider step by step. All right. All right. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. And please share and subscribe if you want to continue this journey with us. I invite all of you to also become an architect of your life and better design your life how you need it to be, and which will help you show up every day. All right. So again, this is Erica L. Abrams, the Gen X Wealth Architect, where we're going to talk about all things building wealth, protecting health, and preserving legacy. Have a wonderful day.